Good morning, dear student, grade 10, Middle Mujtama Private School. How are you? Our lesson today is writing part 2, how to write a story. Don't forget, our value for this week is honesty. Open page number 28-29, and our objective today to identify the elements of the narrative text by answering the questions in exercise A, page number 28. First of all, what are the narrative story elements? We have got the setting, which are the time and place, then characters, then the plot. And the plot can be divided into 6 phases. Number 1, exposition. It means the beginning of the story that introduces the conflict or character and setting. Then rising action. Events before the climax. Characters attempt to solve the problem but fails. Number 3, climax. The turning point, the point of greatest suspense or action, and without climax there is no story. 4, falling actions. Action and events that occur after the climax. And finally, the story ends with a resolution, the end of the story where the conflicts or problems are solved. Page number 28. Read the story, then answer the following questions. Pause the video, take your time reading the text. In which paragraph, question 1, in which paragraph is the main character of the story introduced? Yes, excellent. Paragraph 1. Where does the story take place? According to the first paragraph, the setting, the time and place, and the main character are introduced in the first paragraph. So according to the first paragraph, tell me the place. Yes, of course, on a boat. 3. What tenses does the writer use throughout the story? What tenses does the writer use throughout the story? Excellent. Past tenses: past simple, progressive, and perfect. 4. Which event do you think formed the climax of the story? And in which paragraph does it take place? And how does the main character feel? The event forming the climax of the story is when the main character sees something in the water and the other members of the crew gather on the deck to see what it is. It takes place in the third paragraph, and the main character panics. Here is the feeling of the main character: panics. 5. Does the atmosphere of the story change after the climax? And how? Yes, of course. The atmosphere has been changed. How? The characters calm down. 6. Why does the writer use direct speech, or what is the effect of the direct speech on the story? To make the story interesting. 7. Which adjectives or adjective phrases does the writer use to describe the character's feelings? Go back to the text and get them. Yes, excellent. In shock, panicked, sick with fear. Question 8. The table shows the 5 different stages of the story in order. Read the story again and complete the table with the functions A to D of each stage. Pause the video and present your own answers. Have you finished? Great. Introduction. Here it presents the main character and sets the scene, time and place. Rising action gives extra detail and builds towards a problem. Climax shows the main event of the story. Falling action shows how the characters react after the event. A conclusion shows how everything goes back to normal. Great, yes. Exercise B, read the first paragraph of the story again. What does freezing mean? Freezing, the word freezing means extremely cold. And here there is a point. Strong and weak adjectives. You must use strong adjectives. Strong adjectives are a stronger version of other more common adjectives, often called weak adjectives. For example, freezing means very cold. Before weak adjectives, we often use adverbs such as very, really, extremely, incredibly, terribly, and a little bit to describe their intensity. To describe the intensity of strong adjective, we use adverbs such as really, completely, absolutely, and totally. Exercise C. Read the story again and find strong adjectives with the following meanings. Give me a word has the same meaning with very tired. According to paragraph 2, very tired means yes, excellent, exhausted. And give me one word in paragraph 3 means very scared. Yeah, panicked, excellent. Give me another word in paragraph 3 means very big. Great, enormous. 4. Give me word means very bad, according to paragraph 4. Yes, dreadful, excellent. And 5. A word means very surprising in paragraph 5. Incredible. Good. Bravo. Exercise D. Replace the strong adjectives in the sentences from 1 to 7 below with an appropriate adverb and the weak adjectives in the box. Number 1. Furious. Furious. It means incredibly angry. Boiling. It means extremely hot. Here, you can pause the video and present your own answers, then come back to me to compare your answers with mine. Have you finished? Yeah, let's check. I watched a fascinating. Fascinating here means really interesting. Gorgeous means very beautiful. Astonished, terribly surprised. Filthy, your hands are filthy. You'd better wash them before dinner. Yes, excellent, extremely dirty. I haven't had anything for breakfast and I am starving. Starving here means very hungry. Good. Now, our lesson today has ended and it's time to say goodbye to you, and next time inshallah you will be in safe mood and in good mood. Thank you. Bye bye.